Welcome to the 2025 Central Texas Women in Industry Career and Education Expo. Are we excited to be here?
We've brought a full team just to be able to showcase to high school girls what we do at Saint-Gobain. At Saint-Gobain, we're a worldwide global business with a lot of opportunities in a variety of construction material spaces.
So many times kids don't know what they have the chance to do. And girls especially may get told what they can and can't do. And to have an event like this that is absolutely empowering, absolutely just drives home the fact that there's nothing they can't do, and just opens those eyes to those girls to say, hey, every single thing you see in here is something you can do, something you can make an incredible career out of.
Stephanie is having a huge impact on girls and their future development. I've had the opportunity to watch her really grow this organization in about the last 18 months, and she's on fire.
Knowing where you come from, where you've been, all the knowledge that you have, and your background that makes you truly unique. Keep in mind who you are, and don't let anybody ever think differently of you. Keep your friends and your family close, to use them as mentors.
I was fortunate to have some male mentors that really kind of took me in. You know, I don't think the gender part mattered to them. I think they just saw me as just this young girl that showed up. Those mentors were just kind of like, hey, just follow me around. Well, let's go see this, let's go do that.
Being a girl dad and knowing that there is mentorship out there and there's resources out there to make sure that my children will be able to grow up and have some pathway forward is amazing. So Stephanie, thank you.
I think what Stephanie's doing makes a huge impact, and I think that she's meeting the girls right where they're at in their journey, and that's a powerful thing.
Don't expect anything. Come with a completely blank mind. Wake up in the morning and don't even think about it. Just get on the bus, get here, and then open your eyes. You will be absolutely starstruck with the just atmosphere, the girls you'll meet, the women you'll see. Being able to see it firsthand and not just this wonderful story about this magical princess that somehow made it in this world of men and trades. You get to be that person every single step of that day, and you get to enjoy it fully.